Welcome friends, welcome to my YouTube channel called Preview Review, and today we are going to review an app called Boodmo. This is the only app available in the country where you can place an order for any kinds of spare parts and consumable and get it delivered across the country without any hassle. So let's quickly go through this app and see how it works. Thank you. This is the app where you can save a lot of your money. So this is how you can install this, and once this is installed, this is how the user interface will look like. Let me open this to you and show this how it is going to look like. So here you have a user interface, pretty simple to use. Okay, let's say for example you want to search for any part, you just need to type it over there. Okay, so today let's say for example we will search for car part called steering. Okay, so you just need to type it over there. Okay, and then you need to tap on search parts, which will display all the steering components, okay, which is available for the sale. Okay, so when you say steering, okay, there are many things which comes up. Okay, so you have steering column, you have steering column switch, you have steering damper, okay, and many things. Okay, so simply choose the one which you needed, then select the make of your car, which is going to be anything. Let's say for example Maruti Suzuki. Select the year and the model of your car, and then you can see how much is it gonna cost you. Okay, here we have the price in front of us, okay, which is gonna save a lot of money, because normally when you visit any store, okay, or any garage, okay, they say you XYZ price which you could not verify, but with this app you can verify, and we can test it with other parts as well. Okay, let's say for example shock absorber. Let's say how much it is gonna cost for a different brand. Okay, so front shock absorber for Mahindra, and the make of the car would be Mahindra, and the Bolero, we are going to select that and we will show that to you how much it is going to cost you. So we are selecting that, then we will select the year. Okay, and then you can see, okay, how much it is going to cost you. I'm selecting 2015. You can select whichever your car belongs to. Okay, and here you have the entire variant available, so choose the exact variant, okay, so that it fits your car well, so that you don't have to return this product. However, the returns policies are very friendly. Okay, so you can also return this product. Okay, there is a completely refundable spare parts you will be getting, and sometimes, okay, I mean most of the times you will be able to see the pictures. Very few times you will find that you will not be able to view the pictures. Let's say for example on the front shock absorber which we are selecting, you will be able to view their picture. Here we have the pictures which you can see, verify whether these are the right fit for your car or not. Okay, so we have the frontal shock absorber in front of us. The cost is 1299, gonna get us delivered within somewhere around 8 days. Okay, sorry, 10 days. Okay, so this is the best thing, and make sure that, okay, you have ample of time for a repair. Okay, you plan your repair, then visit the garage, and then place, like, you place this order prior you visit the garage. Okay, so this is gonna take 10 days to reach your destination, and here are the list of the cars, okay, with the model number, engine, and those kind of things, okay, where this shock absorber is gonna be compatible. Okay, so this is the best thing which you can verify and save a lot of your money, because normally whatever price is said by the garage guys, garage people, okay, you just believe them, and you don't know how much exactly that is going to costing, what's the market price at, you never verify them. So here you have, and the best part is that, okay, you take this product to the garage, get fitted in front of your eyes, okay, and then you go ahead and save your money. Now we are testing and we are finding a one it for i10. Okay, the brake pads, we are selecting the mid-year somewhere around 2017. Okay, and let's see how much that is gonna cost us here. Okay, so where we have brake pads available, hopefully we will definitely get the pictures. Okay, here we have, this is the complete brake pad, okay, which is going to be 6,000 somewhere, 6,234. But let's say for example you're going to just going for a brake pads, okay, that is going to save a lot of money. 669 is the price, and again it will take 5 days, because sometimes it comes from a different seller. But let me tell you one thing, these Boodmo company first go ahead and procure the product from the seller, they verify it whether they are original or not, and then they ship it from their warehouse to your home. Okay, so all the products which they ship it to your doorstep are verified and genuine products only. no fake products. Okay, so you be rest assured that you have a peace of mind when you place the order from Budmo. Okay, so this is one of the features which could be available. Okay, and now you can also go ahead and check the other features of this app. Okay, so let me show you those features as well. Okay, here we have a different feature. You can see search section, car section, and VIN. Okay, these are the sections which are available. So let's say for example, when you tap on car section, okay, you can select the car make, okay, manufacturer, year, and those kind of things. When you type on VIN, you need to type in your part number. If you have the part number available, just type it over there and you will be able to find how much that part is gonna cost. Okay, and you will be able to verify and match those prices with your local garage, whether he is cheating or not. Now here we have a support section available. Okay, once you tap on it, you can trigger an email with a subject line and check whether those parts are available. If you have any complaint, you can raise a complaint on the support section. Okay, so this is the best part. Okay, you have round the clock support available from them. Apart from them, if you see a bell icon, if you tap on it, you will be getting the list of discounts which they are running. Okay, let's say for example here we say Viper blade and those kind of things, we are getting the discounts available. Okay, for brake shoe we have discounts available, and here are the previous orders which you can view them. Okay, and apart from that, okay, on the right hand corner you will be able to see the support button. Okay, if you tap on it again, you will be able to send a mail to them. Okay, contact them via mail and check, okay, where the product is, how much days it is gonna take, and raise any kind of a grievances with them. So this is the one-stop solution for all your spare part needs when it comes to the car. Okay, and it does not covers the spare parts. It covers your oil filter, your engine oil, your brake oil, and everything. It also comes with a voice search support feature. Okay, so let's say for example you're driving somewhere and you want to check a part which is available, you can just say something there. Let's say for example brake shoe or anything, or any brake pad, and it will search you and list you whether those products are available with Woodmo and how much is the price. So if you like the video, share it with your friends, family, your other co-workers, and save a lot of money. Okay, and spread this awareness to everyone. That's it for today, friends. If you like this video and information, please subscribe and hit the like button, and share this with many of your friends and family members so that they can save a lot of money. And please stay tuned to my next video, which is going to be more informative. Thank you, and you have a nice day ahead. Bye bye.